If you want to add vertices and edges in Blender, the first thing you need to know is that this only works in edit mode, not object mode. So go ahead and select your object, press Tab, and switch into edit mode. Once you're there, you can start creating new geometry in a few different ways depending on what you need. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials like this. First, let's add a vertex to an existing edge. Switch to Edge Select by pressing 2, then right-click the edge and choose Subdivide. This adds a new vertex right in the middle of that edge. If you need more than one cut, look at the small Subdivide panel in the bottom left and increase the number of cuts. And if you want to adjust that new point without changing the shape too much, press Shift+V to slide it along the edge. Next, if you want to add a vertex to a face, press 3 to go into Face Select, then use Face and choose Poke Faces. This creates a vertex in the center of the selected face and connects it to the corners, which is very useful for building cleaner geometry. Another powerful method is the Knife tool. Press K, then click on an edge or face to start your cut. Click again where you want the new vertex to be placed, and Blender will draw a new edge between those points. Press Enter to confirm the cut and finalize it. Now let's cover a few more quick ways to add geometry. If you want to add a single vertex, hold Ctrl and right-click in the 3D viewport. That places a new vertex at your cursor. And if you already have a vertex selected, Blender can automatically extrude from it and create a new connected point. To add an edge between two existing vertices, select both vertices by holding Shift and clicking them, then press F. That fills the gap with an edge. If you select 3 or 4 vertices, F can create a face instead. For subdividing an edge, select the edge, right-click, and choose Subdivide. This is one of the fastest ways to insert a vertex exactly in the middle of an edge. If you want to create new connected geometry more freely, use Extrude with E. Select a vertex or edge and press E, then move your mouse to pull out new vertices and edges together. This is especially helpful when modeling shapes from scratch. Another useful shortcut is Ctrl+R for loop cut. Hover over the mesh, press Ctrl+R, scroll your mouse wheel to add more cuts, then left-click twice to confirm. If you want to split a face by drawing an edge through it, select 2 vertices on the same face and press J for Vertex Connect. That's different from F because J cuts through the existing face instead of simply filling a gap. You can also use Shift+A in edit mode to add primitive shapes directly into your current object, like a cube or circle. And if you need to combine 2 vertices into one, select them and press M, then choose at center. That merges them into a single point and removes the extra edge. One more pro tip, if you want a single vertex exactly at the 3D cursor, enable the Add Mesh Extra Objects add-on in Preferences. That gives you a single vert option in the Shift+A menu. So that's the core workflow for adding vertices and edges in Blender. Remember, start in edit mode, then use Subdivide, Poke Faces, Knife, Extrude, Loop Cut, Connect, and Merge depending on the result you want. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Blender tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.